It's a go time.
Oh, fun, 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 What a waste. What a waste. I'll go back in Nice, I tried. I don't think there's anything on the top. Anything on the right? You can eat them too. Okay, cool. You can eat those. If there is, I didn't see anything. Hey, we made it. We made it.
Oh yeah, Mario time.
Cool. Alright, let's move on.
Let's go.
I can see. I can't see.
Oh yeah, Mario time.
Missed the first and the third coin.
Let's go.
Got confused for a minute. It's like, where did that come from? Bottom of the top. Oh.
Ah. Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, shit. Confident. Ah, yeah. At least we got that. Yeah, that bitch is tricky right there. And it's only the second coin. I missed the first coin.
Oh. Let's go.
Okay. Whatever. How are you squeezing there? Not wasting my life just to get in that little cubby hole.
Oh. Let's go.
first time, but no, I forgot. What a waste.
Oh no!
Ah.
Oh! Let's go!
Just go. First point. Why do you stand right there knowing I have to jump there, stupid? Stupid.
Oh! Let's go!
Shit. I don't need any help. Woo! Damn it. For the show. Yeah!
Yeah!
There we go. Well, it ain't for the third coin, but oh well.
This way!
Toad, you come up with stupidest prizes, man. Why can't you give me some good prizes?
Yeah! What?
I need to use some of those. I'm full! I think I'm gonna hit one of them whether I want to or not. Oh, then again, maybe not. Wait, I don't think so. I forgot where Bowser was already. Shit. Hopefully I don't get a Bowser. I forgot where Bowser was. Oh, thank God. Because I wasn't paying attention. But thank God I didn't get him. Oh.
What?
What do I... I'll trade you a mushroom for a mushroom.
What? What?
Mushroom for a mushroom.
No.
I was just talking about that too. Okay. Wait. Huh? Yay! There we go. Avoided the goose. Yeah, we did. We avoided the ghost.